Welcome to Easy English. Wake up. Get up. Make the bed. Wash your face. Brush your teeth. Brush your hair. Clip nails. Put on makeup. Get dressed. Have breakfast. Go to school. Go to work. Exercise. Do household chores. Drive to work. Take a taxi. Wait for the bus. Work. Take a break. Get home. Leave school. Have lunch. Take a nap. Have a snack. Do homework. Take out the garbage. Water the plants. Feed the dog. Play with friends. Walk the dog. Go for a walk. Go shopping. Hanging out with friends. Read the newspaper. Surf the net. Cook the dinner. Have dinner. Take a shower. Go to bed. Read a book. Fall asleep.